How does the liver detoxify your body? Stay tuned to learn more about your liver and how to support it for optimal detox. This video will provide you with valuable insights into how the liver works to cleanse your body, the signs and symptoms of toxicity, how to avoid toxins, and much more. So, let's get started. What are toxins? Toxins are harmful substances that can negatively affect your health. They can originate from external sources like pollution, chemicals, and processed foods, or internal sources such as metabolic byproducts produced within your body. These substances can interfere with normal cellular functions and lead to various health issues if not adequately managed. How are toxins classified? Toxins can be broadly classified into two categories. Exogenous toxins. These are toxins that come from external sources. Examples include pollutants, pesticides, heavy metals, and synthetic chemicals found in household products and foods. Endogenous toxins. These are toxins produced within the body as a result of metabolic processes. Examples include lactic acid, urea, and ammonia. What are the signs and symptoms of toxicity? When your body accumulates an excessive amount of toxins, it may exhibit several signs and symptoms, such as fatigue and weakness, persistent tiredness and lack of energy, digestive issues, bloating, constipation, or diarrhea, skin problems, acne, rashes, and other skin irritations, brain fog, difficulty concentrating and memory problems, headaches, frequent and unexplained headaches, muscle and joint pain, unexplained aches and pains in muscles and joints, bad breath, chronic bad breath despite good oral hygiene, weight gain, difficulty losing weight or unexplained weight gain. How to avoid toxins? To minimize your exposure to toxins, consider the following strategies. Eat organic foods. Choose organic products to avoid pesticides and herbicides. Filter water. Use a water filter to remove contaminants from drinking water. Use natural products. Choose for natural cleaning and personal care products. Avoid processed foods. Reduce intake of processed and packaged foods high in preservatives and additives. Improve indoor air quality. Use air purifiers and houseplants to clean indoor air. Practice good hygiene. Wash your hands frequently and avoid touching your face. What organs are involved in detoxification? The liver is the primary organ responsible for detoxification, but several other organs also play crucial roles in this process. Kidneys filter blood to remove waste products and excess fluids, which are excreted as urine. Lungs expel carbon dioxide and other volatile toxins through respiration. Skin eliminates toxins through sweat. Intestines excrete waste products and undigested food residues. How does the liver detoxify the body? The liver detoxifies the body through a complex process that can be divided into three phases. Each of these phases have specific functions and objectives. Here they are. Phase 1. Bioactivation. In this phase, the liver uses enzymes, particularly the cytochrome P450 family, to convert fat-soluble toxins into more water-soluble forms. This process often involves oxidation, reduction, and hydrolysis reactions. However, some intermediate products generated during phase 1 can be more toxic than the original substances, so they need to be further processed. Phase 2. Conjugation. During phase 2, the liver adds specific molecules to the toxic intermediates from phase 1, making them even more water-soluble and easier to excrete. This process involves conjugation reactions with substances such as glutathione, sulfate, glycine, and glucuronic acid. These reactions neutralize the toxins and prepare them for excretion. Phase 3. Excretion. In this final phase, the conjugated toxins are transported out of the liver cells and into the bile or blood. Toxins excreted into the bile are eliminated from the body through feces, while those released into the blood are filtered by the kidneys and excreted through urine. How to support liver detoxification? Supporting liver detoxification involves several lifestyle and dietary changes. Eat a healthy food plan. Include plenty of low glycemic fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, and high-quality proteins to provide essential nutrients and antioxidants. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to help flush out toxins. Exercise regularly. Physical activity promotes healthy liver function and aids in toxin elimination through sweat. Avoid alcohol and limit caffeine. Reduce consumption of alcohol and caffeinated beverages, which can burden the liver. Avoid smoking. Smoking introduces numerous toxins into the body, overwhelming the liver. What is milk thistle? Milk thistle, also known by the name of Silybum marianum, is a plant known for its liver protective properties. The active compound in milk thistle is silymarin, a group of flavonoids that have powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. This is how milk thistle supports the liver. Antioxidant protection. Silymarin neutralizes free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and preventing liver cell damage. Anti-inflammatory effects. It helps reduce inflammation in the liver, protecting against chronic liver diseases. Regeneration. Silymarin promotes the regeneration of liver cells, aiding in the recovery from damage. Detoxification enhancement. Milk thistle supports the liver's detoxification processes, improving its efficiency in eliminating toxins. How to use milk thistle. Milk thistle is available in various forms, including capsules, tablets, tinctures, and teas. Here are some guidelines on how to use it. Capsules or tablets. Follow the recommended dosage on the product label, usually 140 to 420 milligrams of silymarin per day. Tinctures. Typically, 1 to 2 milliliters of milk thistle tincture can be taken 2 to 3 times daily. Teas. Milk thistle tea can be consumed 1 to 2 times per day. It's important to consult with your healthcare professional before starting any new supplement, especially if you have a pre-existing health condition or are taking other medications. By understanding how the liver detoxifies your body and incorporating supportive practices like using milk thistle, you can help maintain your liver health and overall well-being. In conclusion and to summarize today's video, the liver is a vital organ in the body's detoxification process, filtering out harmful substances known as toxins. These toxins, which can negatively affect health, come from external sources like pollution, chemicals, and foods, as well as internal sources such as metabolic byproducts. Effective detoxification is essential for maintaining optimal health and preventing various health issues. Toxins are classified into two main categories: exogenous and endogenous. Exogenous toxins are derived from external sources, including pollutants, pesticides, heavy metals, and synthetic chemicals found in household products and foods. Endogenous toxins, on the other hand, are produced within the body during normal metabolic processes and include substances like lactic acid, urea, and ammonia. When the body accumulates an excessive amount of toxins, it can lead to various signs and symptoms. These include persistent fatigue and weakness, digestive issues such as bloating, constipation, or diarrhea, skin problems like acne and rashes, brain fog, frequent headaches, unexplained muscle and joint pain, chronic bad breath, and difficulty losing weight or unexplained weight gain. Recognizing these symptoms is crucial for addressing toxicity and taking appropriate measures to support detoxification. To minimize exposure to toxins, individuals can adopt several strategies. Eating organic foods helps avoid pesticides and herbicides, while filtering drinking water can remove contaminants. Choosing natural cleaning and personal care products reduces exposure to synthetic chemicals, and limiting processed foods decreases intake of preservatives and additives. Improving indoor air quality with air purifiers and houseplants, as well as practicing good hygiene, can further reduce toxin exposure. The liver is the primary organ responsible for detoxification, but other organs also play essential roles in this process. Other organs involved in detox are the kidneys, the lungs, the skin and the intestines. The liver detoxifies the body through a complex, multi-phase process. Phase 1, known as bioactivation, involves enzymes particularly from the cytochrome P450 family. The process converts fat-soluble toxins into more water-soluble forms through oxidation, reduction, and hydrolysis reactions. Some intermediate products generated during phase 1 can be more toxic than the original substances, necessitating further processing. Phase 2, conjugation, involves adding specific molecules to the toxic intermediates from phase 1, making them even more water-soluble and easier to excrete. Conjugation reactions with substances like glutathione, sulfate, glycine, and glucuronic acid neutralize the toxins and prepare them for excretion. In phase 3, excretion, the conjugated toxins are transported out of the liver cells into the bile or blood. Toxins excreted into the bile are eliminated from the body through feces, while those released into the blood are filtered by the kidneys and excreted through urine. Supporting liver detoxification involves several lifestyle and dietary changes. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, and high-quality proteins provides essential nutrients and antioxidants. Staying hydrated helps flush out toxins, while regular exercise promotes healthy liver function and aids in toxin elimination through sweat. Limiting alcohol and caffeine reduces the liver's burden, and avoiding smoking prevents the introduction of numerous toxins into the body. Milk thistle, a plant known for its liver protective properties, plays a significant role in supporting liver function. The active compound in milk thistle, silymarin, is a group of flavonoids with powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Silymarin neutralizes free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and preventing liver cell damage. It also helps reduce inflammation in the liver, protecting against chronic liver diseases. Additionally, silymarin promotes the regeneration of liver cells, aiding in recovery from damage, and enhances the liver's detoxification processes, improving its efficiency in eliminating toxins. Milk thistle is available in various forms, including capsules, tablets, tinctures, and teas. By understanding how the liver detoxifies the body and incorporating supportive practices like using milk thistle, individuals can help maintain their liver health and overall well-being. Thank you for tuning into Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, please be sure to share it with your friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even more content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients, stay consistent with your training, and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.